NATO and European Union countries are currently debating Ukraine's request to use donated weapons to attack targets within Russia. French President Emmanuel Macron has been the highest-profile leader calling for this, and he appears to have support from U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken and UK Foreign Secretary David Cameron. Outgoing NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg weighed in on the issue this month, agreeing that NATO countries that donate weapons to Ukraine should not face restrictions and should be free to attack targets within Russia if Ukraine chooses to do so. Mr. Stoltenberg has also provided his opinion, as he is close to the end of his term and is freer to speak, and he is taking this moment to publicly criticize the Ukraine policy of the U.S. administration.